Hi
Finally.
everyone. so, welcome whoever is here at this moment. We have very interesting day today. It's a demo day and we have so can you introduce
Shubham.
yourself? Sorry. From
Hey,
HeyMeetAI.
Meet. Yeah.
Yeah, hey Meet, and I'm Anush. I'm a founder of Burnwe and also a video marketing expert for tech industry. And Jake, can you present yourself?
Yeah, I'm Jake. I'm the founder of Mingle and other tech startups, and we're super excited to see what you got with HeyMeet. So we'll just go ahead and jump right into it, and let you share your screen and show us your demo video, and then walk us through your product, and then we'll ask some questions afterwards, just to get to know your business, get to know where you're going, and get to really figure out how we can help you with your launch.
Yes, definitely. Just give me 1 minute and
No problem. Take your time.
audio. Okay, let me know if you can see my screen.
Yep, we can see it.
Okay, so yeah, hello everyone. My name is Shubham Pratap Singh and I am from India and I am founder of HeyMeetAI. So HeyMeetAI is your AI teammate which can drive your meetings. It will join your meeting, it will talk actively, it can give the demo and it will actually drive your meeting so you can focus on other productive work and even you can sleep. Okay, not an issue because your AI teammate is there. Okay. Okay, so let me share a demo. So I have two videos. Okay, so one video which I'll play right now, it's a demo assistant. What I have done, I have uploaded a pitch deck of Uber. Okay,
Mhm.
and I have asked my demo assistant to give me the presentation on this slide deck. So this interface is a Google Meet interface. Okay,
Mhm.
and the AI agent, the demo assistant, have joined this meeting. Demo assistant have itself shared the presentation and it will walk through the presentation. It will, if the user have any question, it will answer that. And if I ask it to go to some other slide, change the page or go to the previous slide, it will do it automatically. Okay, so are we okay to play the video now?
Yep, go ahead.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
I'm excited to kick off our presentation on Uber, a next-generation car service that's set to transform urban transportation. Shall we continue to the next slide?
Yes, please.
Today's traditional cab system relies on aging technology from 2008, which leads to inefficiencies and long wait
Can you tell
times.
me what problem are you trying to solve in simple words?
Absolutely. We're addressing the issues in the current taxi system, like long wait times and poor service quality. Many taxis use outdated technology.
Okay. So during the meetings, if user have any question and they don't want to interrupt the demo in between, they can post their question in the chat, and the assistant will parallelly answer their question as well.
Which makes it hard for riders and drivers to connect quickly. Our solution aims to make rides faster.
Can you go to the solution slide?
Our Uber cab concept is designed as a fast, efficient, on-demand car service built on the latest web and device technology.
There are competitors in the market, but why should I invest in you?
That's a great question. Investing in Uber Cab means supporting a service that combines cutting-edge technology with a strong focus on customer experience. We aim to outperform competitors by reducing wait times, enhancing driver incentives, and ensuring a reliable ride experience.
Okay. Uh, this was the demo video for the demo assistant. Okay. Then I have a demo video where the AI will behave as an AI Scrum assistant. It will
Mhm.
join the meeting and it knows who are there in the meeting and it will take update from them, like what they have worked yesterday and what they are planning to do yesterday. And the best part is you can integrate tools here, right? So during the meeting, your AI agent can either send an email or send an Slack message or create Jira tickets. whatever tool you want, it can execute.
Love to hear what
So
everyone
I
has
can
been
see
working
here.
on. Let's start with you, Shubham.
Hi. So,
Sorry for the audio here. It creates some echo.
I was working on fixing the website responsive issue.
That's interesting, Shubham. Can you tell me more about the website response AV you were working on? What were some of the challenges you faced, and do you have any updates on its progress?
Yeah. So the current website is breaking in the mobile version, and I don't have any ticket right now to share.
It sounds like a priority issue, Shubham. Let me create a Jira ticket for the mobile website issue. E/slash function. I've created a Jira ticket for the mobile website issue. Let's assign it to you, Shubham. The ticket number is Scrum 84. Can you please work on it and update the status accordingly?
Yeah, sure. I will work on it and update the status. Thank you.
Uh, Now, if you see, there previously I have only one task, but the AI agent have created this is Scrum 84
One minute, let it load. Mobile
mobile
website issue.
website issue.
Current website is breaking
So
in
based
mobile
on the
version. Based
conversation,
on
it
our
will
meeting
add
discussion,
the
it
summary and
knows
description,
what can be the
and it will
summary and
assign to the correct
description.
teammate to
Assign
the
is
person.
Shubham.
So that was the two demo video. Okay, and then I will walk through the product. So when you will land to the product heymeetai.com, you will have bunch of option. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to go to the AI agents and you will create a new AI agent. Okay, you will give the name for your AI agent, the greeting message, like what it will say when it will join the call. You will give a prompt like you are a demo assistant, your task is to present a Uber deck, like that you will give here. You can add your guardrails and you can upload your knowledge file. So your knowledge file, it will be anything related to your company, which will give more context to your AI agent. If you want it to be a demo assistant, you can upload your PDF for demo.
Mm.
You can select your workflow. Okay, like right now I will show you the workflow page. Right now I have only two workflow created, but you can create more, like send email, send Outlook email, or send an Gmail email. Okay, now this option active mode. So by default it will be an active mode which will talk actively with the users. But if you want, you can make it passive mode and you can give some big words. Like if I say hello Jarvis, then only it will activate and start talking. Okay,
Mm.
you can select the voice, either male or female, what voice you want. Okay, by default your AI agent will know whoever have joined the meetings. It will know the name of the participant. If you don't want that, you can deselect it. Okay, now coming to the workflow. So right now there are these connectors which you can connect with your account: Jira, Outlook, Slack, Linear. Many more connector will come live very soon. Once you have connected it, you can go and you can create a workflow which your AI agent can execute. Right, right now I have two workflow created. So here what I'm saying is I want to create a Jira ticket. After creating a Jira ticket, summarize it and create a proper Slack message, and then send me a message on my Slack channel. Okay, like this you can create your workflow. You can either schedule it, you can run it manually, or you can make your AI agent to execute it during your live calls. Okay,
Mm.
once your AI agent is ready, you will go to the meeting boards. You will give you will give it a name. You will add your meeting URL. You will select your AI agent, which will go into your meeting and it will talk live. And once you have selected your AI agent, you will hit it. Okay, if you want, let's say your meeting is some other day, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, you can even schedule it. Okay,
Mm.
then at that specific time, your AI agent will go and drive your meetings. Okay, and then there are bunch of templates, ready to use template, which you can directly use to create your AI agent.
Mm.
Okay, so basically, HeyMeetAI is your AI teammate which can work for you if you are sleeping or you have some other urgent work, okay, it will talk to your customers, it will give them demo, or you can use HeyMeetAI for your training calls in your company or for KTs. Okay, yeah.
Very good.
Mhm.
Shabam, when you were explaining, what I got in my mind is that when you're talking with an AI, like the customer
Yeah.
is talking with an AI, they
Yes.
can be more direct with their questions and their interests. Rather, if we compare, if you talk with a person, because you are trying to like come from sides, not sometimes directly ask like, and with AI, it will be easier. You will ask whatever you want, get
Whatever you
your
want. Yeah.
answers, and
Yes.
like easily make a decision. The only thing which I'm concerned and I'm interested in what you are thinking about, like, what about like how you kind of try to convince the client to like make a sales, will
Mhm.
AI do that job, or like will it be only like kind of a just a demonstration of the product?
Sorry,
uh
let me
but
interject for a moment before you answer that question. Can you
okay.
kill your share screen
Oh yeah.
uh,
just so we don't have
Hello.
that infinity loop?
Yeah, give me just 1 minute, let
There you
me
go.
just.
Yeah.
Yeah, now, yeah, okay.
Perfect. Much better.
Okay. So talking about the sales calls, Anus, see, sales calls will be, I will be honest with this, sales call will be too early for AI, right?
Mm,
Because in the sales call, you are going to the customer and you are pitching, and this is your sales call will be your one of the biggest opportunity to sell your product and to get a paid customer, right? There is one mistake and the customer will get angry, you will lose
of
your
course.
uh, one of the important customers. Okay, but once you have onboarded your customer, once the sales pitch is done, okay, by a human, because in
Mm,
sales human touch is important.
yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
right?
I agree.
Because because
Actually,
now if I have,
I want to interject there because it's very interesting what I found recently in some of my research.
oh, is it?
Uh-huh.
So it, you're right when it comes to a lot of different products,
Yes.
and to the B2C world. Actually, maybe
Hmm.
not even in the B2C world, but my research was specifically in the B2B world.
Okay.
Your number one buyers purchasers right now are your millennials, right? And of millennials, 78% of them actually prefer a non-rep experience. They don't want to talk to anyone.
Interesting.
Yeah, so
Yes.
if you have the chance to talk to AI
Yes.
versus having to talk to a person, they'd actually prefer it.
Hmm.
From client's perspective, I think yes, but maybe for the company perspective, it's better when you have that, connection, because you can just talk and understand like what would be the issues if they don't want to go with you. Kind of
Yeah, no, I'm just
with
saying that
AI, you
it's
don't have that,
yeah, I'm just
possibility.
saying that it's moot. What I'm saying is your assumption that is important in the cells might actually be wrong. Um,
Yeah, yeah.
uh, the AI makes it a little bit different because you're still kind of talking to someone, and the what I usually use are just forms, right, instead of having a sales rep. But
Hmm.
AI may be different because maybe the reason you don't like talking to people is because you don't like sales. You don't like salespeople. You don't want to be pushed into anything, right? You don't want them
Hmm.
using manipulation tactics, which I'd assume that AI is most likely going to be using those tactics. So it might even be more aggressive and more annoying than talking to a real person, right?
Yeah,
But either way, it's still an assumption, and it's worth a test to see if
Yes.
a
Yes.
sales AI would actually be seen as a good thing.
of
Yes.
course, of
Definitely.
course.
Hmm.
Um, I'm just interested if we're talking mainly about like onboarding and demo calls in your case, right? About
Yes.
like Hey Meet, what would be the difference within like people jumping into the call and asking the question and just like getting, for example, a demo video with the all answers, like whatever they can have?
See, demo video they can have an answer, fine, but still there will be some question, right? And
Mm-hmm.
there will be, and even they want some touch. Like if I am getting some demo video, I have a question I can ask. If that answer is not answered by an AI, it
Hmm.
will be it will be a good option to have a human in loop. Okay, so the AI will redirect to the human executive. The human executive can join the call. Okay, so
Yeah.
there will be a better option or a better chance that the connection will be not broken, right? Because
Oh.
see, it will feel egoistic, right? Man, they don't give me more priority. They just gave me some
Mm.
video, and I'm watching the video. I have plenty of question in my mind. Okay,
Yeah.
how will I get all the answers of that? Okay,
Mm.
but in the real meetings, some person can join. Okay, if the AI redirect to the human executive, someone can join and assist you. Okay,
Mm.
but if
Mm.
you are watching a video, you don't understand, send an email to the support team, they will reply in 1 or 2 days. That will
I
be a
see.
little
I see.
frustrating.
Losing time in between, right? Rather
Yes,
than
yes,
getting all your answers in place. Okay,
yes, exactly.
that makes sense, I think.
Now I'm
What?
curious. Oh, sorry. Go ahead. You
No,
first.
go ahead.
Oh,
I'm okay. I think we're going into the same question.
well, I'm actually a little curious about. So, if I go to your website,
Yes,
can I experience an AI demo of your product right now?
yes, 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 you can. It's live.
Okay, yeah, that'd be. So, I mean, I'd obviously anybody who's listening, I'd suggest you go give that a try because that's quite an experience, right? I really liked your Uber demonstration because being at a lot of pitches and seeing a lot of investment pitches and doing a bunch myself, uh, it's cool that you can ask those questions midstream and actually get answers, which is really fun.
Yes, yes.
So it's almost like a personalized investment pitch to you. So I really like that aspect. Now, the question I have is tell us a bit about where this idea came from. What sparked it? Why did that just switch on me? That's really funny.
Oh,
What sparked it,
sorry.
and like how did this come about?
See, this is a funny story. Why this sparked me? Because as a developer, I used to go with so many meetings, okay? Like continuously 3 to 4 hours of meeting. And I
Mm,
really don't like to be continuous in the meeting, okay? So it clicked me like, why do I have to go in meeting? What instead of me, my AI assistant can go, right?
mm,
Obviously, I can't do it right now as an authority, but yeah, that is the thing when it clicked me. Because see, we have many meetings which is repetitive, right? Which can actually get automated. Okay, because every day if you are going to the same meeting where you have to go and give the same updates or answer the same question, that part can be automated with the AI. Okay, and
yeah.
that will be useful because if you are saving this time, you can use this time to do some other productive work which can be more useful for you and your organization.
Mm,
I
mm,
like that. That's
That
yeah.
so essentially what you're
Came
trying to
from
do is
same experience.
yeah, you were trying to recreate yourself and trick people and send you.
but I'm saying them, but this is AI. Don't
Yeah.
think this is
I
real
know, I know.
Subham. Okay.
I'm just joking. That's future
Yeah, I
iteration is
understand. Yeah.
the future iteration is it's not me there.
Don't expect
Yes.
that, right?
Yeah. Exactly.
It's funny that I think nowadays, like everyone loves to experiment with AI, that in some cases they are going to ask a lot of questions. Like, even if they don't have usually that kind of questions, they are going to like just, okay, let me see if she knows like and this or that.
Yes.
And what do you think, like, who's the best client for you in this case? Because like we're talking about like different companies and everyone may need
Hmm.
like demos, but
Yes.
who would be an ideal one for you?
Right now, mostly I'm pitching this to the CSM team, customer support team. Okay,
Hmm.
and I'm pitching it to the, for now it will be like 50 to 100 size startups. Okay. Later I'll move to the enterprise customers because moving to the enterprise customers, there will be a lot of license and uh, some formalities will be there. So right now I'm pitching to the mid-size startups, to the customer
Hmm.
success manager, which
Hmm.
actually because I am parallelly I'm talking to the multiple users, and even they have shared their pinpoint, like there are a lot of repetitive demo calls, and they have to do the product walkthrough. And okay, I'm going to announce it like very soon, maybe within this month. Right now it's only a presentation of the demo day, but very soon HeyMeetAI will do the complete product walkthrough. Like right now I showed you my HeyMeetAI, right? But the same thing very soon, HeyMeetAI can itself do. It will go to the website, it will tell like you click here, log in, click on login button, like that, everything it will be able to do. Like,
Oh,
Kind of
really
like
cool.
giving full
yes,
demonstration. That's
yes,
nice.
yes, yes. So
Well,
either
and it's
demo.
your typical support calls of like, hey, how do I change my email or how do I change my password, those kind of
Yes,
things.
yes, everything.
So,
That's
You,
great.
technical question: how do you? So, if I was to set that up, how do I build? How do I connect the knowledge base of my knowledge base of a from a tech company into that support agent?
uh you saw that, right? You can upload a PDF file of the knowledge base,
Oh, okay.
right?
So
Ha,
what you
while creating AI agent.
so it's not an up to it's not a I'm assuming you'll probably have the integration down the road, but it's not connected
Yes.
directly to a live knowledge base. You have to upload your
Uh
knowledge base.
yes, you have to upload the knowledge base.
That's
Yes,
fine. I
yes,
was just kind
yes,
of curious. So,
yes,
And
yes.
and you can change it like during the time. For example, if something changed, like you have to update, add information, you should change like PDF, or you can upload like a new one.
That is in the roadmap. Right now, you have to upload a new PDF. You cannot change
Okay.
it. Yeah.
Okay.
that's cool.
And can you use also website, for example, like have your website information in there?
Right now, no. It's still in the MVP phase. There are a lot of things in my roadmap. Okay,
Of
where you
course, of
can
course.
Yeah,
where you
yeah.
can give the URL or directly text. But right now, only the PDF part is supported.
No,
And
that makes perfect
what's your
sense.
feedback? It's just like interesting because you said like you're pitching a lot of like companies. What's the like most common feedback you get from them?
They like the tech. Okay, they
Hmm.
like the tech because even this is new for them, where
I'm
the
on a
AI
call,
will
babe.
actually driving their meetings.
You need to not
Okay,
talk through my door when I'm on a
so
call.
somehow I can say not majority, but few people are still hesitant, like how this other participant will think, like the AI is talking to them. Okay,
Yeah.
but still they are trying, and feedback is good. Okay, it's a mix of kind, but yeah, it's good.
Okay, that's good because in some cases like bad feedback is also good because you can like
Yeah,
involve based on that, but especially in the first I think stage of the
yeah, bad.
startup growth.
Yeah,
Well,
bad
I
feedback.
think it I find it really interesting. This is another area that I've dived deep into, because when you're pitching an idea, right, or you bring
Yes.
up an idea or something that you've built, it's
Hmm.
very similar to presenting your ego, right?
Mm-hmm.
And humans
Mm-hmm.
are designed not to crush each other's egos. So they're going to give positive feedback. They're going to be like, oh, yeah, that's great. You know why? Because it doesn't cost
Yeah.
them anything to do that. Um,
Yes.
Yeah.
for them to give you critical feedback, they usually won't. Most
Mm-hmm.
people won't give you that critical feedback because they don't want to hurt your feelings. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
and so anybody who's doing a startup, I highly recommend. Anybody who's trying to market it, like do marketing research for an idea, I highly
Yes.
recommend reading the book called The Mom Test.
Mm.
Basically, it's how to solicit market feedback from your mom. And the idea there is that you solicit it in a way where you don't actually present your idea,
Okay.
because the second you say I've got this idea, they're going to be like, oh yeah, that's a great idea. And then what's going to happen is they're going to be like, you're going to be like, well, how much would you pay for it? Oh, I'd pay like $100 a month for it. But then you
Yeah,
build
yeah.
the thing, and then you bring it to all those people that said they'd pay for it, and then they're like, oh yeah, well, now's not a good time, or then it's costing them something. So you've got to
Yeah.
find a way to
Exactly.
solicit the feedback without actually presenting your idea, which is crazy,
Mhm.
but it's very, very important. And the second you catch them actually giving you those praises, you actually have to pull the meeting back and try to reframe it so that they don't do that. It's really cool.
Jake, by the way, whatever you just were telling right now, there is Armenian startup called prelaunch.com, and they
Hmm.
are actually working on exactly this thing because like they are trying to like arrange the real like launch process and the real feedback from people, whoever would definitely buy or not. And as it is more like anonymous, like people are more honest like in their feedback. So that helps startups to understand, do they want or do they don't want to actually launch the product or change it a bit before they're doing it.
Can you repeat the name of
That
that
was cool.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
that
pre-launch.
freelaunch.com?
Let me
Yeah,
just,
.com. Yeah,
That's cool.
yeah,
you can
So
definitely try it out. Yeah.
yes.
so
That's why
that
I
you're
wrote the name.
definitely a B2B uh, company, right? You're selling B2B.
Yes.
I like the support agent. I think that's really cool. It's a step up from your experience with the chatbot, right? It's a much more integrated experience, and you actually feel like you're having a meeting. I also like the idea of a bot going to meetings for me that I don't necessarily need to be at, but I need the
Hmm.
Exactly.
information within those meetings. So it provides that
Yes.
summary back to me, correct?
Yes.
Yeah,
Um, I
that's a good
really
one.
like
Like
that it builds your
action
JIRA
plan.
tickets. That's cool.
Mm-hmm.
That's a really
Hmm.
cool
Mm-hmm.
feature. And I'm excited to see the other integrations you come out with. What
Yes.
I'm curious about is there a specific industry you're looking to target at this moment? Or is there, or are you still kind of filling that out?
I am still in the process of finding that out. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
In the process where I'm talking to users and still I'm iterating based on the feedback. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm still in the process to finding the right market and the right use case for it.
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, this. How long have you been working on this product?
Uh MVP, it's like 3 to 4 months.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, really?
And
This is just 2 to 4 months.
Yes. 3 to 4 months. Yes.
That's impressive. That like
it is.
right now you have. It seems like you already have a viable product. So
Yes.
that's real. Like just if you were selling a Scrum Master to go to meetings and do the Scrum Master is worth it because like small startups can't afford a Scrum Master, right? Like
Yes.
your
Yes. I agree.
executives are the ones going to the Scrum meetings and
Mm.
running the meetings because they just don't
Yes.
have the capital to pay someone to be the Scrum Master. So just that alone, I think is a viable product.
It is.
Yes.
It is.
Thank
And
you.
you're doing it alone or you have a co-founder?
I am all alone.
That's
Wow.
impressive.
It is.
Good job. Like that's really impressive.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, no problem.
So, yeah.
Go ahead.
No,
But
I was trying just to understand like when you're planning your launch, because like I think whoever just listens us also would be interesting to actually support your product and
I
also see the
am
development.
planning. Yes. I am planning to launch this December, end of the December.
Hmm.
Once I make that live product walkthrough feature in the production, then I'll
Nice.
deploy it and
Nice.
launch it.
So
The
Yeah.
only thing I would I would actually like recommend you do, like your demo is nice because like it's showcasing the product, but I
Yes.
would love for you to actually like give a bit of intro with it
Okay.
before jumping into a demonstration of the product, because if you give like a short explanation of why you have created, how it is going to benefit your clients, like what
Yes.
exactly it's solving for them, there will not be any questions why this exists, and it
Yes.
will be easier for people to actually like understand like why they need it.
Yes. 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 Will
and
do it.
Anish,
Thanks a lot.
give us a little bit more about a little bit more feedback on the demo because I know that this is your area of expertise, and I know that other people listening are probably curious about when they're building demos. How should they build them? What should they be using?
Yes.
What things should they be avoiding? And what things that they should be doing? Because I think it's extremely important that you have a good demo.
Of course, especially for product hunt, it's a bit different, like the demonstration, like overall demonstration of the product, and when you are just launching on product hunt, because like on product hunt, you have short attention span there. Like there are a bunch of different like products at the same time launched, and you have just to pick like whichever I like. So you just enter into page and try to like first of all check the video. Like everyone's starting with the video and then they are reading about the product, believe me. So I think in the beginning it's very important to catch them. Like we all talk about the hooks, but it's not only about the hook moment, but how you actually like give them that connection of your product and why it should be interesting for them. So like even in some cases I would say skip the introduction of yourself, jump into the product right before in the start, and talk about like why it's important and why it's going to help them, and then start the demonstration of how it works, what it gives. Because whoever interested already on product, they will just like stop their time and just watch till the end of the video, especially on product hunt. And do not forget about call to action, by the way, at the end, because when they watch the video, try to lead them into like trying out your product. Like somehow just tell them like, go try yourself, it's free of charge. You can just like try yourself and see how it works, because everyone will say, okay, it's free, like what I'm losing, right? Just to check myself. So and also in the beginning, by the way, if you have specific target audience, try to also mention that because like they will say, okay, that's about me, that's for me, that's a product for me. There are actually a bunch of different tricks and tips. Maybe we will talk about it later on in our another demos as well. This is just a quick, let's say, information about product hunt videos.
This is great. This is really
Yeah.
informative.
By the way, when you have the video, send me out. I can check and give my feedback later on.
Definitely.
Yeah, she's great with that.
Yes.
Thank you. We created video for Mingle as well.
Yeah. Well, and so that kind of leads me to another question I have, which is which is for my own purposes. I'm assuming right now it only connects into Google Meets, Zoom, and
And
Teams.
Teams.
You
Yes.
probably can't connect into the other ones.
No, no. Right now,
Okay.
no. Only these three is supported.
Well,
You have to do Mingle.
you and I should talk.
Done.
Why not include mingling at least?
Right. So, um, any other questions from you, Anush?
No, I think I'm good at this moment because I think we got a lot of information about the product. Like especially in the early stage, it's very important that you know exactly why you have created it and for which market you have created it. Because like to be honest, like AI voice could be, and whatever you have as a base, it could be used for different reasons. And if you are targeting at this moment like more call centers, that means like already it will be much clearer for your audience to understand like how to use it, like where they can like integrate that into their business. For the next steps, of course, everything is going to change based on the feedback, based on the experience that your customers will get. But
Mhm.
at this moment, we're just like wishing you, I think, a good luck, and then
Thanks a lot.
hopefully it works.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I want to leave you with something. I would say one of your important things to do is figure out your industry, figure out your target.
Yes,
Because as you know from developing, when you have multiple different targets that you're looking at, they all need different things, right?
yes,
Mhm.
yes,
And
agree.
right now, it's going to hurt you more to look at multiple industries than it is to look at one. So, like I
One,
was saying,
yes.
the Scrum Master alone is a great product, right? So if you're looking at something that simple and that narrow, you
Yes,
want to impact deep into one small area where you can get that, you can grab a hold of the market and actually get a foothold, and then you can expand to other verticals at that point, and then you can add those
yes,
other features. But if you're
yes.
designing your product specific for one industry, for one task, you're going to do a lot better than if you were to design it for all the tasks that are possible.
Hmm.
And
Definitely.
it is fun to design for all the tasks, and great, write those down, put them in a book somewhere. But for now, find your one area that you're focusing on and just go
Hmm.
in a mile deep on that and just buy all in on it, because that way you're going to hit it, right? Like that you're more
Mhm.
Yes.
likely to hit that than spraying a shotgun at everything and trying to hit so many.
Hmm. I
Right.
agree.
So if you
Kind of
can, if you
niche product for niche market.
exactly right, you want
Yeah.
you want to get that well. And from a development standpoint, I know that Mingle, we're looking at 3 different markets still, and we still have that problem, right? We
Mm.
develop all these different things, and it's like, wait, that we still have the our identity is not quite built yet. Who are we for? Well, we're for this and this and this and this and this, right? Instead of being able to answer that question, who am I for? Well, I'm for people that need startups that need a scrum master. I am
Yes.
for developers that don't want to go to meetings and need a summary back, and their boss is okay with that, right?
Yes. Yes.
You know, that those kind
That's
of
true.
things. If you're developing for that narrow of a spot, you're gonna impact a lot better, and it's gonna get a lot more traction instead of this generic message that's being
Hmm.
sent across.
Yes. Yes. I
Great,
So
completely agree.
great advice.
yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Anyway,
This is really
well,
great.
thanks for joining us, everybody that's listening or on our live feed. Thanks for joining us. We'll be back in a month, and we'll have another product for you. We don't know who that is yet, so if you're interested and you're part of our PH Streakers, get in contact with me or Anush. We're both the admins of the PH Streakers, so you should be able to message us there directly, and we'll set up a demo for you for next month. But this was a lot of fun. I appreciate it.
It was
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Yeah. This
much.